Yo, what's up, everyone? So today I'm going to pick 10 totally random cryptocurrencies and tokens, and I'm going to show you that our randomly created portfolio will outperform Bitcoin. So how is this possible? Or how is it possible that totally random cryptocurrencies and tokens are going to outperform Bitcoin? At the moment, I don't even know which ones I'm going to choose, but I'm already telling you that this is going to outperform Bitcoin. Well, in this video, what I want to show you are two main things. I don't want to tell you that you should APN and invest in totally random cryptocurrencies and shitcoins. What I'm trying to tell you is that you should first diversify your portfolio, because if you diversify enough your portfolio, you will pick up one or two or three gems. And second, I want to tell you that it's also important to invest in in small cap cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin is the number one in market capitalization, basically the total supply multiplying by the price. And the lower the cap is, the higher the potential, but also the higher the risk and higher volatility. So that's why you should always diversify. And if you really want a more conservative bet, you should go to Bitcoin. But if you have a well diversified portfolio and if you include some small cap cryptocurrencies, probably you can do better than holding Bitcoin alone. So without further ado, let's get into it and let's get started. Okay, so I want to pick up 10 random coins of the top 300 by market capitalization. Market capitalization, as you know by now, is the total circulating supply multiplying by the price. So I want to pick up any crypto that is among the 300 top cryptocurrencies. Just a couple of rules. If the cryptocurrency that we pick up from the random number generator is a stable coin, we proceed to the next one. And if it is a wrapped token or Pax Gold or something like that, we also proceed to the next one. So just those two rules. And let's start generating our random portfolio. 69, 72, 156, 145, 146, 148, 56, 49, 155, and 273. And now let's go to CoinMarketCap and search for these different cryptocurrencies. So what's the 69 rune? 72 is next. So 156. Let's go to the 49. So 49 is through USD, is a stable coin. So let's go to the next one. It's BSV, Bitcoin Stability Vision. Have some real shit coins here in our portfolio. What's next? 156. 156 now. 146. MXC. 148. ABT. 155. SLP. Now we go to the next page. 226. Safe. And 273. WRX. Okay. Okay, now we have our ticker symbols. Let's add them to our trading view charts. And so here basically we have the Bitcoin chart for the last 3 months, and I select exact 3 months because in 3 months Bitcoin price is exactly the same. So 3 months ago was $20,000 200, and now it's $20,000 200, and that's why I'm selecting this exact time range. Bitcoin price is basically the same, and we want to compare to the other cryptocurrencies. How did they perform compared to Bitcoin? So let's start adding them. So we have Rune, Nexo, Nexo is the formula for sure. Now, what is it? Now here, BTCB, MXC, ABC, Safe, BSB, SB, WRX. So as you can see here, 4 out of the 10 cryptocurrencies that we have selected are underperforming Bitcoin. BTCB is actually very similar to Bitcoin. Why is the reason? What's BTCB, by the way? BTCB. Okay, the reason why BTCB is almost the same is that BTCB is in fact wrapped Bitcoin on a Binance blockchain. I thought it was like a random Bitcoin fork. So for that reason, I'm going back here to our spreadsheet, and I'm going to remove BTCB, this one. Let's remove this one and let's replace it with another random number. So it's going to be the 36, 36, and 36 is Internet Computer, ICP. So let's remove BTCB and let's insert ICP. Okay, finally, now we have here our final randomly generated portfolio. And you have here the price variations over the last 3 months for each one of these random, totally random tokens. And as I told you, it was my belief that these tokens would outperform Bitcoin. If we build a randomly generated portfolio, it would outperform Bitcoin. But let's actually do some calculations and let's see if they indeed outperform Bitcoin or not. So how is our Rune doing? Rune is down minus 6%, 6.33%. All right, so I have put here the price variations over the last 3 months for each one of these tokens. Of course, this is assuming that you have invested a lump sum exactly 3 months ago. And I think investing lump sums is not the ideal. You'll be better off if you do dollar cost averaging consistently, lower the risk. So if you have invested a lump sum exactly 3 months ago in 10 different random cryptocurrencies, how would you be performing? And that's what we are about to discover. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Dividing by 10. So yeah, you will be outperforming Bitcoin by about 13%. So the lesson that you need to derive from here is not that you should randomly invest in cryptocurrencies, in shitcoins, is that lower cap cryptocurrencies have more potential to grow, and also diversification is important. Because as you see here in this portfolio, there are some tokens or cryptocurrencies that underperform Bitcoin, but maybe if you have a well-diversified portfolio, you will have here some gems that actually outperform Bitcoin. And remember, if you have a well-diversified portfolio, the risk for each one of the assets within your portfolio is limited. So the risk, worst case scenario, you lose 100% of your capital. But if you have a diversified portfolio, the best case scenario is that some of those cryptocurrencies can go 5x, 10x, sometimes even more. So diversification is really important because if 1 or 2 or 3 go to 0, maybe you have 1 or 2 or 3 that can eventually multiply your money by many times. All right, guys, I hope this video was useful. Please share it with your friends. And if you like the video, give it a like and subscribe. It will really help with YouTube algorithm. And as always, I'll see you tomorrow.